Making false declarations. Section 31 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 31 of the RP Act 1950. Provisions in Constitution. Article 324 says, Superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in a commission known as Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 31 comes under the Part 5th, that is, General. Section 31 is about making false declarations. It says, if someone knowingly gives false statement or declaration in writing about preparation, revision or correction of an electoral roll, or inclusion or exclusion of any entry from an electoral roll, they can be punished with up to 1 year in jail or fine or both. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted and Section 31 incorporated. Conclusion and extra points. Giving false information about electoral roll preparation, correction or revision is a punishable offence with penalties including up to 1 year in prison, fine or both. Concerned person can also be punishable under the relevant section of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. The Chapter 1, Section 2, Subsection 28J of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita says, person who holds any office to prepare, publish, maintain or revise an electoral roll or to conduct an election or part of an election will also be known as public servant. Its Section 212 says, furnishing false information to any public servant is a punishable offence and the punishment will be imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to ₹5,000 or both. So if any person is giving false declaration regarding electoral roll, then he or she is also liable to be punished as per this section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In this educational video, we have learned about Section 31 of the RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulation, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.